welcome to another episode of the channel. So today is doing some work on something that's not a TT. So this, as you can see, is not a TT, it's a Volkswagen Bora. So a friend has asked if we can do something with the headlights, a bit of restoration on that. You see both of them are quite bad really, but again it's not bad for a 55 plate car. And then see if we can get some of the scratches buffed out as well. So we'll get this light masked up and then we'll start sanding down. So there's a couple of ways you can go around it now it's all masked up. You can either use a drill with a sanding pad on the end of it, 1200 upwards, depending on what it is that you have to hand. I've got a manual kit with little discs, which I'll show you in a second, but we'll just have a go with the WD-40 on this first, just to see if that improves it. So because I'm one-handed, I've already put some WD-40 on the kitchen roll. Give it a wipe. And there, so you can see the difference already, and there's the residue wherever it's gone. There it is. So yeah, so there's the dirt that's come straight off that with some WD-40. So that'll do a job for you, but for today's practice is going to be using sanding pad. So there, your hand sanding pad looks like that. Comes with some little discs, 800 up to, I think that one's a 1200, and you literally just attach it to this and a circle, bucket of water. So get on with it. So that's 1000 to 2000 grit sanded headlights now. Get them wiped up, let them dry off, and then get the clear on. So now they've dried, headlights have got a nice haze, a little bit scratched obviously from the sanding. We're going to use these products, and then some sealer after it. And that's the end result. Leave them to cure now. And yeah, so another small video on, well, just headlight restoration this time. Hopefully it was useful. If it is, by all means feel free to like, subscribe, but otherwise I'll catch you on the next one.